Are you struggling to build a gaming PC at low budget? Here's a budget PC build that can run most modern games and handle video editing. Under 40,000 rupees. Let's break it down. CPU. AMD Ryzen 5 460G with integrated Vega graphics for 9,500 rupees. Motherboard. Gigabyte. A 320M-S2H for 4,200 rupees. RAM. 16 gigabytes. DDR4. 8x2. 3200 MHz for 4,800 rupees. Storage. 500 gigabyte NVMe SSD for 2,900 rupees. Cabinet with PSU. Zebronics Zeb-Cronus with 450-watt PSU for 3,200 rupees. Monitor. 22-inch Full HD LED for 6,500 rupees. Keyboard plus mouse combo for 1,500 rupees. Wi-Fi adapter plus accessories for 1,000 rupees. And all that? Around 39,600 rupees only. You can game, video edit, and multitask without breaking the bank. And the best part? You can upgrade later. Just add a GPU when you are ready. Want more budget builds like this? Hit subscribe at Tech Ninja and never overspend on your tech again.